Okay guys, it's day 3. A lot of you are asking, how is your hair not greasy yet? And so I thought I'd give you some tips. 1, you have to use a clarifying shampoo, no questions asked. If you haven't used them before, it's life-changing, but I literally use it once a week. And then 2, don't touch the roots of your hair. Like, touch this all you want all day. Don't touch your roots. Don't do this, don't do this, don't touch your hair. That will make it not greasy, like immensely different. So I do not touch my hair. That is the biggest part. And that's it. Otherwise, all of these products dry out your hair. So they are absorbing oils. Also, dry shampoo. But my hair is still fluffy. I don't need it. So I'm not going there today. Today I said I was gonna use my 3-barrel. Remember how I didn't curl my underneath yesterday? This is why. Well, for one, I didn't need it. Because my hair starts to get flat on day 3 through my ends, just because my ends are starting to get a little bit oily, but not a lot. So I'm using my 3-barrel. This is my OG TG 3-barrel. For my tutorial like a long time ago, but any 3-barrel works. I just have this one. Okay, so I'm taking a massive chunk. All I'm doing is 1 clamp. So if your hair is longer than mine, then you could do 2, but you just want to make sure that you have a good 2 inches. But the purpose, see how far that pushes my hair out? It's gonna make my hair really full again, or look really full. So I'm not doing this everywhere. I'm literally just doing it on my very underneath that I didn't do yesterday. Okay. It's gonna be a short one today, guys. Other side. 2, 3, there we go. And the token back section that we always forget. Okay, boom, all done. Now, I'm gonna use my brush. I'm gonna brush it out. I'm gonna fluff out that underneath. Okay. And it's my underneath so that you can't see it at all. It's just gonna help me build that volume. And then all I'm gonna do, I'm not recurling my whole head, but I am gonna redo these front pieces. I had a lot of questions yesterday about what are curtain bangs. Curtain bangs are these bangs that go like this on both sides. So it's like a curtain. So if you have a lot of breakage in the front right now, use it to your advantage and style them more intentionally like a curtain bang, because it's in style anyway. So how to do that is what I said yesterday, where you bring this forward, make sure you're facing the right way, and then curl at the center of your face. Boom. So I'm just gonna do that on both sides to touch it up. Okay, if you are naturally curly and you get drier as the week goes on, then be using like that U oil. Just put it in your hands and run it through your ends at night. That would be the best. But if you're greasy, then don't do that. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick up, this is a very big chunk, like very big chunk. And going to do 1 big curl again. So when I say my hair lasts, it's not that I don't touch my hair for 5 days, it's that I can do very little to it and it still looks good. But really the key, the good start to this is oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you missed it. My chair almost fell out from under me. The key to making this work from the very beginning is you absolutely 100% have to blow dry. If you aren't blow drying, it won't last as long, period. That's why when you get your hair done at the salon, your hair lasts so long, because getting the moisture out from under your roots initially makes a massive difference. That's what gives you the extra days. So after today, I'm not gonna be leaving it all the way down. I'll be doing like a little do, because that's when it does get greasy, but it doesn't mean that you can't. So I'm just picking up big chunks. I got 1 more in the back and then I'm done. what am I at, 5 minutes? And this is real time, guys. I'm not speeding this one up so you can see how quick it is. Okay, all done. Isn't as curly as yesterday, but that's not the point. We're about making it last. So use your brush, comb it out. And honestly, this is usually the look you guys are like, how'd you do that? Because it looks like kind of undone, like I didn't do it. And then grab my products. Oh, always spray at the bottom. Don't spray at the top. It all comes together on not making it greasy. So spray, pull your hair out like this. Spray the ends. That's what makes it thick and full. And just keep using it as much as you want. Use more. This is the dry texture. Because like I said, it's grittier. The other one is hold. So good. Woo! Okay, day 3. This is what we're doing. Very loose, wavy, tousled, undone. All that. So,